Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's video. Today we're changing the whole look of this BMW M4 with a brand new bumper. Let's get into today's video. Not this guy. You're still a racer at heart, huh?
Ooh, racer at heart, yeah. Did you order a bumper? FedEx is here.
Yeah, that was the fastest delivery I ever received.
Yeah, it's how we do. It's how we advertise.
Yeah.
Fast, baby.
I heard the Hunting Co has the fastest shipping around.
Damn right we do. Look at this. Look at this car, baby.
I just ordered this 20 minutes ago. That was fast. 65-mile-an-hour winds and bending it in half. It's good quality.
Looks perfect to me.
I'm just giving these guys a heads up that my pickleball game is just out of this world. I would wreck these guys.
You know what? If that's the talk that you need to say to get yourself on the court with us, do it all day.
You're gonna see. I'm gonna wear my Monarchs with like a half socks and the shorts. I'm gonna come full dad mode on there. I'm gonna show you whippersnappers a thing or two.
I would seriously love to.
Okay. I'm gonna get my stuff. By next week, I'll be ready. All right. All right, guys. Here it is, the G80 M4. This is probably one of the most hated M cars, mainly because of the front nose. What started once as a meme ended up becoming reality. BMW kept making these grills bigger and bigger and bigger until finally here we are at the G80 M4. Now I actually grown to like this front end, but initially I was like, are you freaking kidding me, right? But now when you see it in person and when people start lowering them and putting lips on them and stuff like that, you know, they could look really good. But today we're actually changing the whole look of this thing with a new bumper.
All right, so here we have it, guys. This is the new bumper we're going to be installing on TJ's new BMW. I like the bigger grille and the aggressiveness that this bumper has. This grille looks to be, obviously they're big, but it's a little bit smaller. I think it makes the overall look a little bit more aggressive. We're going to be painting it body color to match, and all this in gloss black, swapping all the sensors, getting everything over. So right now this bumper pretty much comes in raw plastic. So being that it comes in raw plastic, we're going to go ahead and sand it with adhesion promoter, sand it, get it ready for primer. We'll go ahead and prime it. From there, then we can start prepping and getting ready for paint. Being that we're going to be doing two-tone, we'll sand, get everything ready, and paint the two-tone, you know, the black first and then the color of the green. So Mr. Alex here, what's your nickname?
I don't have one yet.
You have to own it.
I don't have one
you
yet.
You have to own it.
No, I don't have one yet.
All right, guys. Somebody said a nickname I'm not going to say. So in this video, comment below, what should Alex's nickname should be?
All right, guys, now we have the bumper all fully prepped out. We're gonna go ahead and just blow it off, wipe it down, clean it, and then go ahead and put some adhesive promoter and get this thing into primer. All right, guys, this thing has been fully primered. Now we're gonna go ahead and start prepping this thing out, getting it in 320, 400, and 600 wet, so we can go ahead and start getting this thing painted. Now this thing is gonna go two-tone. These are gonna go gloss black. The rest of the bumper is gonna be color matched. So let's get to it. Hey Twan, what do you think of the new BMW grills?
The grills?
Yeah.
I like them.
You like them? The big grills? Do you think this bumper is gonna look better or?
Definitely gonna look better.
Yeah?
I don't. This is gonna look way better.
Yeah. Alex, what do you think about the new BMW grills? They're really big. Yeah? They're really big. I heard you like them big though.
I do like them.
You do like them big?
I do like them big.
But do you like them that big?
Not that big.
Not that big?
Too big.
This is gonna be a lot of fun. Trying to get these perfect lines in here and make this all real nice. We may end up trim blacking this one more time just to make it all 100% perfect and nice and crispy. All right, we got the man with the plan, Richard, getting that nice color match. I think it's pretty good. It's goes with the nice shading. I think we got it almost there. Richard, what do you think? Yeah,
That'll work.
that'll work. All right, guys, now that the sealer is on the bumper and the grill, it's time to go ahead and shoot our two-tone. Let that dry, and after it's all shot in there, we're gonna go ahead and start masking this thing up and get it ready for its second color. All right, guys, so we got some paint and clear coat on the grill. We're gonna pull this off the booth. Here we are the next day. We already got the black base coat on the areas that need to go black. We're gonna go ahead and start masking these up and then go ahead and shoot our second color and get some clear on this thing. All right, guys, and the front bumper has the base on there. It's looking really good. You know, it's been drying. Right now it's really cold, so we're gonna let it dry as long as possible. We still have some shiny spots. That means that, you know, that's probably the last place that he sprayed. We're gonna let this dry probably another 10 to 15 minutes before we put one more pass on it, and then we can clear coat. Hey, just unpeeled this.
No big.
It takes some time, huh?
Takes too much time. I don't have no nails anymore.
TJ, he owes us like what? Like a what? Pedicure, manicure, whatever you call it.
SOS.
There you go.
Crown.
Yep.
Put it on top or
Yeah, something like that. Something. A trip to the nail salon. All right, guys, the bumper has been fully cleared. It looks amazing. I really love the two-tone look. Now, we're gonna let this dry overnight. Tomorrow will be another day, and we will go ahead and get this thing out in the sun, give it a quick polish, and get it ready to go on the car.
The next day.
All right, so we got the bumper loaded into the truck. I'm heading down to the hunt quarters to help TJ get this bumper on and get the final result of this new bumper conversion. I think it's gonna look really good. I've seen it in pictures, but I haven't really seen it in person. So I think that's always something different, that when you can see something in person versus online, you can really make the ultimate judgment then. So we should be here pretty shortly. Let's get this thing unloaded here and we'll see what it looks like. All right, so this is bumper one. Here we have the OEM bumper. OEM. I just wanna, can I do this?
No.
Just like,
Ow.
He likes it. The
Ow.
Here, bro.
Alright guys, and that is gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a short one, but I just wanted to give you guys a little glimpse into a simple bumper replacement and see what a bumper can do to your car. I definitely want to gauge you guys' opinion. Do you guys like the new bumper? Do you like the stock one? Go ahead and drop some comments, and that's gonna wrap up today's video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and notification button. Also, give us a follow on IG. I'm gonna go ahead and drop our links right here, and check out our merch store. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link in the video description. You can definitely check that out and support the channel. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up today, and I hope that all you guys have a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and a happy New Year. Stay safe out there. We will see you guys on Christmas Eve with a new vlog and a new car. Thank you guys so much. We're SOS Customs. We got you covered. Peace.